Hi, welcome back to Inspiring Mealtime. My name is Latanya. So today's video is going to be a recipe that is going to be prepared in the crock pot. This recipe is a part of the Crocktober 2019 collab. This collaboration is put on by Dana from Debt Free Dana and also by Amy from Dreamflight 6000. Please be sure to check out the other videos so that you will be able to get a lot of other crockpot recipes. Alright, so the recipe that I'm trying out this year is going to be a crockpot recipe with chicken wings. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are going to be your chicken wingettes, some brown pepper, brown sugar, honey, ground garlic, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, ginger, garlic, and cornstarch. Alright guys, so let's get ready to make these chicken wings. So first off, I am going to just measure out all of the ingredients for the sauce into little containers and stuff. Doing this is going to allow it to be a whole lot easier to just add the different ingredients that I need for the sauce. With doing this recipe, it's supposed to be something that's going to be really fast and easy, so this step helps it to do just that. Okay, so now it's time to start off the sauce for the chicken wing. I'm going to be adding in some soy sauce to a bowl, and then also the balsamic vinegar to a bowl. And then after that, I'm going to add in the honey to the bowl. Now this sauce, I really do like it because it is on the slightly sweeter side. The soy sauce and the balsamic vinegar gives it some saltiness, but the honey and now the brown sugar brings a little bit of sweetness to it. Next up, I'm going to be adding in my spices, the ground ginger and the ground garlic, and also the black pepper. Alright, so the next ingredient for the sauce is the garlic. I really like fresh garlic, and it goes wonderful in this recipe. So now let's just mix everything all together. Mix it up really well because that honey is a little bit thick. And then just take the chicken and add it into the sauce mixture. I really like the fact that this recipe is using the chicken wingettes. So if you like more of the wing pieces, you can use just that. Or if you like more of the drumette pieces, you can use just those pieces also. You just want to toss the chicken in the sauce mixture. I'm thinking the next time I try this, I might want to marinate my chicken in the sauce mixture. But after you toss everything all together, pour everything into the crock pot, pop a lid on it, and then set the timer for 1 to 2 hours on high or 3 to 4 hours on low. Okay, so if you are anything like me, you're gonna be a little bit curious to see what's going on in the crock pot, and you want to stir up the chicken just a little bit. This is not a necessary step. You can just leave it alone if you have the willpower to leave it alone. But I just wanted to see what was going on because this is my first time making this recipe and cooking chicken in the crock pot, and I just wanted to stir it up just a little bit. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours that I let my chicken cook, and now I am getting ready to put it into the oven under the broiler. So I just lined a baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and I'm taking the chicken pieces out and just laying them in a flat, lay them flat, not stacked on top of each other. Okay, so after I took the chicken out, I just popped it into the oven under the broiler for a couple of minutes, or you want to keep them in there until it's caramelized. And now I am just going to get some 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to mix that all together, and that is going to go into that sauce to thicken up the sauce. Now this sauce is not really going to get that thick while it's warm, I actually did go in and add in a little bit more cornstarch and a little bit more water to try to thicken the sauce up a little bit more. But overnight and then the next day, after the sauce was allowed to cool all the way in the refrigerator, it did thicken up. But tonight when I was cooking it, it didn't thicken up as much as I was expecting it to. But it did thicken up a little bit. Alright guys, so if you guys are enjoying this Crocktober recipe, check out my Crocktober recipe that I did last year. It's going to be in the iCard above and down in the description box down below. Alright, so after I took out the chicken from out of the oven from under the broiler, I just added it back into my sauce so that it can get some more sauce on that chicken. This is not a step that you have to do. This is just something that I wanted to do because I really like my chicken. If it's supposed to have a sauce on it, I really like to have a lot of sauce on it. And like I said earlier, the sauce wasn't as thick as I was hoping it would be. But anyways, I still, went with it. The next day, the sauce did thicken up. So this is it. I just put a little bit of parsley for some color, and that is it. Chicken is all done. You can serve this with some rice or potatoes, or if you want to do like a finger food type of a situation, you can even do French fries. But that is it. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed that recipe. That chicken was really, really good. Don't forget, check the description box down below for the playlist of all the other participants that are in this year's Crocktober collaboration. Thank you once again to Dana and to Amy for hosting this collaboration. I am so excited to watch all the other videos of all the other participants. I hope that you enjoyed this one and all of the other videos. Have a happy Crocktober. Thank you so much for watching.